What is up, guys? My name is Talha and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So this is DerpFest OS December 15 build running in the Poco X3 Pro. I'm not going to do a full review right now, and this is just the first impressions. But yes, if you want to see the full review, make sure you subscribe. So now let's just talk about the ROM itself. The ROM itself is obviously it's DerpFest OS. Let me just show you. Here we have the Derp space as well. Now what it basically does is it lets you customize the ROM the way you like. That's pretty awesome. You can actually assess these options by clicking here. We have this OS panel in notifications and actually blink flashlight for incoming calls, just like we have in iPhones. So yeah, we can actually, I think we can actually try this out. Let's try always. And now when someone will call me, it will actually blink the flashlight. It looks kind of awesome, right? So we are gonna try that in the full review. Now we have the lock screen shortcuts. Basically, yeah, hide bottom UI shortcut basically means you don't have anything, you cannot access the phone and the camera. But yeah, that's one thing. Now we have the lock screen shortcuts here. We have the left shortcut, right shortcut. It depends upon how you choose it. We have battery, we have customizations, and in customizations we also have this head, the body font design. Earlier it was not present, now they have actually included it. Then we have the Wi-Fi icon also. Which type of icon you want, AOSP or something like zigzag? Let's try zigzag. At that looks kinda insane, that's my Wi-Fi icon. Oh my god, that looks great. Let me just try one more. Let's try, here we have, okay, we had the Wi-Fi icon. Let's try let's try sneaky. Wow. That's also really awesome. So yeah, we actually have a lot of customizations in this. Let's just try. We have Victor, and yeah, that's I think pretty simple. There's nothing new in that. Victor is pretty awesome, but it's simple kinda. Oh, whoa, whoa, I think I changed something else. I can back to Victor normal. Now let's try Xperia. Oh, that's Sony Xperia, right there. We have inside. What's inside? Haha, that's these things are so cool. So I'm gonna keep it like that. That looks kind of awesome. So here we have the Wi-Fi icons. As I already told you, it looks kind of awesome. So we have customizations in this room, that's for sure. Then we have this wallpaper styles, and obviously themed icons are theme icons weren't enabled. Now they're enabled. It works absolutely awesome. Theme icons work. They actually work kind of good. They actually work kind of good. The animation in this room is very smooth and fluid, but still I would prefer a smoother OS. But you know what? This has the best Antutu. This is the fastest Antutu you can ever get on your smartphone. So let me just show you a Geekbench score of this, and you know what? It's actually mind-blowing. The single core is damn awesome. Let's go in history, and there you go. Look at the single core score right here. Let me zoom in. There you go, 796 and 2552. Now 796 is a very awesome score. So it basically compares to the S20 Plus 789, 796. My device is better than an S20 Plus. That's awesome. And the multi-core is kind of let down, I guess. Yeah, that's a normal Poco X3 Pro, and that's the S20 Plus. So yeah, kind of let down. I wouldn't say it's a letdown, but normally these are pretty solid scores. And you know what it means? It means your gaming is gonna be top notch. And you know what? Overall, this is very smooth scrolling here, and there is no problem at all. We have app opening speeds which are really awesome. We have Instagram. If you wanna follow me, you can follow me. That's my ID. So yeah, that's my ID. Follow me if you want to. Now yeah, we have Instagram here. Now we have the CPU throttle test, and this basically tests how long your sustained performance is gonna be. So after playing games for 2 hours, how well your performance is going to be, because normally I don't think it's gonna be that good. So yeah, that's the CPU score. It's it's kind of average. It's not the best, definitely not the best, but I wouldn't say it's bad also. It's kind of average. It's kind of average, no problems here. And you know what? Now let me just show you a bit of gaming. So I'm not gonna do a full gaming review right now, it's just the impressions video. But here if I play a bit of game like this dunk shot, it works perfectly. I literally don't have to do anything here. Just play the game, enjoy the game. And yeah, look at that, I'm perfect in this game. So now let's just talk about battery life while playing this game. So you know what, I'm actually kind of busy right now. I don't have a lot of time to make and test a lot of ROMs, but still, to be honest, I have used this ROM for more than 3-4 days now, and I can tell you the battery life is actually awesome. This is one of the finest battery life ROMs in Android 12. Okay, it's not Android 11 because the MIUI Android 11 still has better battery life than this ROM. But you know what? In Android 12, this ROM has very good battery life. So if you want perfect battery life in this, like this is the ROM to go for if you want to try Android 12, because still it is in beta. It's kinda in beta. It's not the perfect ROM. It still has a lot of bugs normally. So yeah, you just don't have to worry about battery life normally. But yeah, it's like it's kind of, it's still in beta. It has this adaptive battery feature which works absolutely awesome. And we have the battery saver. This I don't use these. And now in sound we have the media volume, the ring volume, we have live captions. So that is actually in the volume center, but I actually kind of disabled it because I don't like live captions in the volume, because I normally never use live captions. So what's the use of it? So that's why I disabled it. So overall, that's the first impressions. Kind of like I'm pretty excited to use this ROM for a long time and tell you how good it performs. And by that time, you can help me as well by just subscribing to this channel and also my new channel which I opened. That's my new channel. Subscribing in this channel would also mean a lot. I got like 150 views in 4 days. It's kind of average, but a new channel, no problems in that. Good views, good channel going on. Just subscribe and I'll see you around. Peace out.